What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the 1962 Fender Mint Pickguard. As you can see, it's a 1962 or vintage pickguard because it has a little notch cut out near the neck pickup. As you can see, it's a classic Fender packaging with a little piece of paper with 2 staples and a plastic bag. So undo this. And slide this out. So right here you can see there's a pickguard. There's a small layer of plastic here to protect it, so let's just take this off real quick. And if you can see, it has this like shine to it from the factory. On the back, I don't see any plastic covering the back because you don't really need any plastic here to protect it because it's just going to be covered up. So here's the back, same mint color. So as you can see, it's a 3-ply. You can see your mint, your black, mint again. Super nicely cut. I think this is going to look great on my guitar. So yeah, super pumped. I think that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you all later.